In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Initialization failed. If you're seeing that error when trying to open Steam, don't worry, this quick walkthrough will help you get back up and running. First, we need to fully close Steam so nothing in the background interferes with the fix. Look to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you don't see the Steam icon right away, click the small arrow to expand hidden icons. Right-click the Steam icon and choose Exit Steam. Give it a moment to close. The icon should disappear, which tells you Steam and its helper processes have shut down. Next, we'll navigate to the Steam installation folder. Click the Start menu and search for Steam. When you see the Steam app in the results, right-click it and choose Open File Location. This may take you to a shortcut. If so, right-click that shortcut and choose Open File Location again to reach the actual installation folder. Once you're in the folder with the Steam executable, right-click the Steam application file and select Properties. In the Properties window, head to the Compatibility tab. Here, enable Run this program in compatibility mode and choose Windows 8 from the drop-down. This setting can help if your current Windows build is handling certain legacy components differently, which sometimes triggers the initialization error. While you're still on this tab, check Run this program as an administrator. Granting Steam elevated permissions ensures it can access the files and system resources it needs without being blocked by standard user restrictions. This is especially helpful if Steam is trying to update itself or write to protected directories. Now, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Before testing, restart your computer. A full restart clears out any lingering processes and makes sure the compatibility and administrator settings take effect cleanly across the system. After your PC boots back up, launch Steam as you normally would. With compatibility mode set to Windows 8 and administrator rights enabled, Steam should initialize without throwing the error. If you're still seeing issues, double-check that the settings save correctly by revisiting Properties, and make sure you open the properties for the actual Steam executable rather than a shortcut. That's it, simple, safe, and effective. Thanks for watching.